that didn't happen. So slowly, 2 3 days, more than 2 days maybe, I took that and I ended up adding some colors, different shades like darker shade and some glass kind of things. Here you can see glass kind of thing came. So with the blue and green, those reflections are very beautiful. So I just started putting those like a building structure. That didn't work for me, so I started scratching. So that scratching helped me to create glass type of windows type of structures. That gave me a wonderful image for that. So I'm not till here I created that, and that helped me to create the structure. So angles you can see. So I just scratched it, not everywhere, just like a once half done, as I said, I imagined those things and I took Pixar help and I added these things and all. So when I'm done with these things, I created some resident type of thing. So this looks like, for me, this is like a residential area as well. So here you can see office structures and all those things. So I added compounding like near Lalbagh. So my first reference image had some shops here, so I decided not to go for that and I went by adding compounds and I started adding those tree structures and here and there, and I added few vehicles on the road. So for these things and all vehicles and all those things I use brush, not knife. Here only the structure of the side I use the knife. So process is I just try to explain, and in other videos I'll be coming up with new techniques and hacks. So please kindly subscribe and help me to reach other beginners. So